We are here today to walk you through using the Companion Cart 3 with the Clean in Place automated cleaning head. This self-contained unit allows you to clean your equipment in place or anywhere your equipment is located. To begin using the Companion Cart 3 with the Clean in Place automated cleaning head, attach the hose to a heated water source and fill the freshwater tank. To clean the machine, allow any remaining mix to thaw and drain all mix from the machine. After the mix is drained, use the wand and sanitizing solution to rinse away any mix left in the machine. To use the Clean in Place automated cleaning head, turn and release the removable spigots from the front door and install the cleaning head. Be sure to lock into place. After installing the automated cleaning head securely to the front door, install the water line from the cart to the cleaning head. The next step is to add the Lex sanitizing cups. If this is the first use or a new box, the Lex RFID tag will need to be scanned to have it recognized and allow the cups to be used. After this is complete, the cups can now be used in the Clean in Place automated cleaning head. Use the wand to fill the cylinders with the sanitizing solution. Next, we need to install the bypass hoses into the hopper, as well as attaching the drain hose. Now it's just a matter of turning the water pump on and placing the automated cleaning head in clean mode. Be sure to verify that the valve is parallel with the hose and the cleaning process will begin. Refer to the status indicators to verify how the cleaning is progressing. If you need to pause for any reason, press the play pause button. Pressing the button again resumes cleaning. While the machine is automatically being cleaned and sanitized, you can use this time to take care of other tasks, saving you time, money, and labor. After the cleaning cycle is complete, remove the cleaning head from the front door by clicking the locking tab into place and then removing the hopper bypass lines and reassembling the machine for use. To learn more about this or any other Stoelting product, visit us online at stoeltingfoodservice.com.